Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find things on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using the Walmart app, but you're new to it. How do you actually go ahead and find things? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So, first thing that you want to do is that we're actually going to go ahead and download the Walmart app. So, the Walmart app actually looks like this. So, once you actually click into the Walmart app, this is what your home page looks like. Now, you're going to be suggested a bunch of different items, but how I normally find things on the Walmart app is I usually use the search bar. So if you click on the top hand side, let's say that I need some onions. I'm just going to type in onions and then it should show me onions here. So we have chopped onions, we have fresh onions, we have sweet red onions. And notice how some of these listings are sponsored. I normally look for the unsponsored listings. And the reason why is because sometimes the sponsored listings suggests me items that I'm not technically looking for, but the only reason why they're showing me it is simply because they're sponsored. So the yellow onion, for example, if this is the item that I want, I can either click onto it to read more about it, or I could actually just simply add it to the cart, just like this. So simply using the search bar helps when it comes to finding things in the Walmart app. At the same time, let's say that I tend to order onions every time I order from Walmart. You could actually go ahead and save this. So on this page here on the right hand side, you could click on the heart. And with that, it'll actually be saved to your favorites. In addition to that, you could also add it to a list. So notice how if you scroll down and click on add to list, you can create a new list such as your grocery favorites, or you can just create whatever list that you want and you can actually access it from there. So that list I was referring to, so if we actually go ahead, let's actually add an item to our list. So we'll add onions to our list. So search for the item, click on the item. And what we're going to do is that we're going to click on add to list and we're going to add it to our grocery favorites. So now our grocery favorites can be found under my items on the bottom left hand side and then clicking on lists. And you can see here that we have under list our grocery favorites, where if we click onto that, you can see the onion that we've just added. So that's another way to go ahead and find things on the Walmart app, but that should pretty much be it though, guys. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find things on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.